Hey, this is Shawn Enterprises, and I just wanted to do a quick video going over my Royaltie Gem VF Gem review and results. If you look to the side, here, you see three of my beacon devices that I have, three of my VF Gems there. And what you also see is, let me highlight with my cursor, there's a number of impressions that I have for roughly not quite 30 days. It's probably about 24, 25 days in. And I am fairly impressed with the reviews that I have for with the impressions that I have for my VF gems. Like I said, they are working. This one here is actually one that I have set up for a client of mine. And what I did is that I have it pointing towards a coupon here for where he says there's buy three tires, get one free. And out of these 45 clicks, he has had roughly 26, I believe, come in and take advantage of this coupon at his location, at his tire shop. So, needless to say, he's very pleased with the results of the Royaltie VF Gem. Here you see that I have set up here for Royaltie. I've had two phone calls out of these 18 clicks. I've received two phone calls, and here, this one here is low because I actually changed it, and it took roughly 24 hours, a little less, to get it approved, up and running. And this is what I've had here, and say roughly a little over 2 weeks, probably not 3 weeks results. 2,624 impressions, 11 clicks. And out of those 11 clicks, I have not received any calls yet. I did have a sign up come through, but I couldn't. I need to change the landing page on it because I actually, mistake of mine, I actually have it running through a landing page that I have set up that I also use on YouTube. So I need to go in there and change that again to a separate YouTube so I could kind of um, tell the difference from exactly where the source is coming from, the sales is coming from. But again, these are my results. Roughly 3 weeks total using the Royaltie VF Gem. I'm pleased with it. Um, I'm having results with it. Like I said, I have a customer here set up for his tire shop, a local customer, um, not that far. He's less than a mile from my house, and he's having big time results using it. I have it set up, black broadcasting around his shop, roughly a 4 mile radius around his shop. I have it attached to a coupon where basically the customer they'll see the ad, click on it. As you can see, he's received 45 clicks on the ad. Um, it takes them to a coupon code, and what they do is actually bring it in, flash the coupon code, and get the deal. And like I said, he's had roughly 26 people come in to show the coupon and take advantage of his offer here out of the actual 45 clicks. So, like I said, very excited about this. The reviews, my review is that I'm very excited. It is a tremendous tool for small businesses, and you can take advantage for it as low as $47 a month. The way this is set up, like I said, you can broadcast miles radius away from your location or wherever you decide to drop your pin on a map and take advantage of this. It works. Um, Royaltie is partnered up with hundreds of apps, major apps and websites that people use every day. They are constantly browsing these websites, constantly using these applications because they got the major ones. They got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, CNN, Yahoo, so off, so forth, and these are my results, and I want to share them with you because it's working. This virtual gem, this VF gem, is working, and like I said, for as low as $47 a month, you can have this type of tool, these type of results for your business. Now, I just anticipate these numbers going up and up and up, as more people get used to it, as I myself become better at creating the ads. We have video ads capabilities that are coming down the line. I'm very excited about that because videos work videos work better than pictures. And right now we're working with pictures, but like I said, it's an asset. You can sit here, we're streamlining and we're broadcasting across multiple apps from one location. It's very convenient. It's very easy to do. You can get your ad up and running in less than 5 minutes. Um, there's training. Everybody that I sign up, I provide training. I go over. My team, we share our results. We give pointers to each other, and we're just very supportive. My phone always rings. I always answer. Again, that's like I said, it's 410-929-3390. You can reach me. I answer all questions, and I'll be glad to sign up. So if you're ready to sign up and use the VF Gem for your business, give me a call, Shawn, 410-929-3390, and I'll be more than happy to get you set up so that you can use this for your business and walk you through the process. So you get you set up and we get an active ad running for you that will convert. And as you can see, I do a great job for my customers setting them up with ads that converts. Like I said, out of these 45 clicks that he's had 26 sales off of it. 26 customers have come in and take advantage of his offer. That's big numbers. That's big time advertising for $47 a month, less than $50 a month. That's big money for him, and I'm glad I was able to provide that for him. And like I said, I myself have also had results. Also, and like I said, this here isn't quite because I had to I readjusted this a couple times. So like I said, you remove a day or so out of that, and we'll multiply this, and I'll do another video updating these numbers here, so you get a full spectrum and see exactly what it has done and how it converts. And I'm pleased with it. It's doing well for me. I'm doing well for my business. It could do well for yours too. Again, this is Shawn Cole, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Royaltie affiliate. If you're interested in getting royalty and using it for your business, like I said, reach out to me, 410-929-3390. I'll put my links in the description of this video. If you like the content in this video and you'd like more tips on how you can use royalty for your business, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I give updates weekly, several times a week. You can follow me on Facebook, as you see scrolling down here below. Follow my Facebook page. You can get in contact with me there also. And I'll be looking to hear from you. Have a great day. Thank you for your time.